In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to QuickBooks. If you want your PayPal activity to flow into QuickBooks more smoothly, this setup can save time and make it easier to keep your books organized. We'll walk through the connection process from inside QuickBooks, then authorize PayPal access, and finish the basic setup so your transactions can start importing properly. To begin, open QuickBooks and make sure you're signed in to the correct company file. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the integration section. This is where QuickBooks lets you connect third-party tools and financial services to your account. From there, click Explore Integrations. This opens the marketplace where you can browse available apps and connectors that work with QuickBooks. When the integrations page loads, use the search bar to search for PayPal. This will help you quickly find the official connector instead of scrolling through all the available options. In the search results, click PayPal connector by QuickBooks. Be sure you're selecting the QuickBooks connector so you're using the built-in integration intended for this workflow. Once you open that app page, click Get Integration Now to start the connection process. At this point, QuickBooks will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. Read through the authorization details, then select Agree and Connect to allow QuickBooks to access your PayPal data. This permission is what allows transaction details to sync between the two platforms. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal credentials directly in the secure PayPal login window, then grant the necessary permissions to continue. This step confirms that you approve the connection and allows QuickBooks to pull in the data it needs. After that, you'll return to QuickBooks to complete the setup. Here, choose an existing PayPal bank account in your chart of accounts, or create a new one if you don't already have a dedicated account for PayPal activity. This is important because it tells QuickBooks where your PayPal funds should be tracked. Once you've selected the correct account, click Next. Finally, choose a start date for importing historical transactions. This determines how far back QuickBooks should pull your PayPal activity, so pick a date that fits your bookkeeping needs. When you're ready, click Done to finish the setup. Once the connection is complete, QuickBooks will begin syncing eligible PayPal transactions based on your